Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Pavoni. This wonderful machine came in for a full service. That's where we replace all the moving gaskets, sight glass. We even worked on the base. This one had a loose base. That sometimes happens, so we added new gaskets and tighten that up. Anyway, let's see how the shot comes up. Sitting at a good temperature. Maybe a loose grind or not too tight a tamp, but anyway, nice and smooth pistons. There we go. Nice strong steam. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.